Hey guys, you know Spotify has this Spotify for Artists profile where you can log in as an artist and see all of your artist stats, etc. Well, Apple has that too in the form of Apple Music for Artists, and up until recently, that has only been available for a select special few who Apple kind of select to join in and have a look. But now it's open for the general public in beta mode, and I've just signed in and for my artists like to follow and me and TV, and I'll provide the link below in the comments in the discussion box for you to do the same for your artists. And judging by what you can get from it, it looks very similar to what you can get in the Spotify for Artists. If you look at the homepage, you've got all the stats you kind of expect. Also some milestones, which is quite interesting, and quick snapshots, basically to let you know how you're doing and if any tracks trending. Find out where your listeners discover your music, very much like Spotify for Artists, and especially to get a global view of listeners, very similar. But yeah, as I said, if you sign up, you will get a reserved spot. So I got an email straight after I did it, and it said, "Hello, you've reserved your spot in the Apple Music for Artists beta. We're rolling out access this spring, and an Apple Music team member will be in touch as soon as it's available. Thanks for your patience." It's spring now, so I'm hoping to get in as soon as possible, and when I do, I'll make another video all about it, like I did with the Spotify one. And saying that, if you don't know how to sign up for the Spotify one and get your Spotify profile verified, check out my other video. I'll probably link that up here, scrolling up, click on that anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, speak to you later, bye.